Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, you already know. Once I bring you guys a review, a tutorial is coming right after that. Now, if you watched my last video, I did go ahead and do the review over the Air Jordan 11 Gamma's all-time favorite sneaker, all-time favorite. And these flew, the demand was there for them, and I'm hearing restocks are coming, but we will see. But in today's video though, I'm bringing you guys the 3 ways on how I lace up the Air Jordan 11, and as you can see right here, we are rocking the bunny lace as well as this one, and it's just a way for me to go ahead and get you guys on par with just different lace styles, and I'm excited, so let's begin. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy, it is your kid, Nefer. I hope you're having a great day, and I truly hope you're having a very, very blessed day. Now, in today's video, as you can tell from the intro, as you can tell from the title, if you've seen last video that I went ahead and uploaded, we were taking a look at the Air Jordan 11, my all-time favorite sneaker, the Gamma 11s. And honestly, a lot of you guys from since that release to now have been still asking for a pair, still wanting a pair. And I think it's safe to say that's probably a lot of people's favorite pickup of 2025. Now, as you guys know, when I give you guys reviews over sneakers, I always try my best to give you guys a lace tutorial. So as you can see right here, we got the Gamma Blue E11s, and as you can see right here, we do have the lace, the bunny lace right here. So in this video, I'm gonna give you the 3 ways on how I lace up the Air Jordan 11 Gamma colorway. Now, before I go ahead and go straight into this video, I wanna give you guys your kudos. I wanna give you guys your shout outs because I greatly appreciate y'all every single time I upload, and I want you to seriously know I am thankful for you. So without further ado, let's begin. Alrighty, guys, thank you so much for all the love and the support that you show on the channel. It greatly does mean a lot to me. It seriously do. As 2025 is getting ready to wrap up, there has been a lot of great sneakers this year that have come out, and you guys have been extremely supportive of all the reviews that I've dropped and all the tutorials I've dropped. So thank you so much. If you haven't already, definitely hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Also, if you want to get featured like you see right here, comment down below and let me know how you're feeling today. Let me know what was your most recent pickup. Did you get the Air Jordan 11 Gammas? Let me know down below. That way I can feature you like you see all these wonderful people right here. So now with that said, we're gonna go behind the camera. I'm gonna go ahead and actually show you guys how I lace these Air Jordan 11s up. Now, remember, take your time. Like I always say, you can rewind it as much as you need to. Sit back, relax, and let's begin this, guys. Let's go. Alrighty, guys, here we go. Starting off with the very first lace style. This is the bunny lace. And again, like I did go ahead and say, sit back, relax, and we'll go ahead and take it together. Now, if you are brand new to the channel, or if you are a continuing subscriber, then you already know I like to always unlace my laces to the very beginning, just leaving the first laces in the eyelet, and then I started from there. That way it's easy to follow. So for the bunny lace, the first thing you're gonna do to execute is you're gonna take these and you're just gonna feed them up with the eyelets. And what I like to do is not make it extremely loose, but not dummy tight too, because you don't want them to be choked up. So just go ahead, and as I see, or as you guys can see, I'm just feeding it through right here. You're gonna keep on feeding it up in the eyelets. You know, go ahead and adjust it if need be. I usually go ahead and take the shoe. I'll open it up a bit every time I go ahead and put the 2 laces in there, moving up to the next section. Going up, going up. Hope you guys go ahead and see that. As you can see, I'm not doing anything fast, anything quick, I'm taking my time with it. Okay, adjust it. Now the Retro 11 is a really good Jordan in my opinion, because I like the fact that you're able, if you want, you can put the second eyelet. I usually don't, but it looks really good when it sits like here, and I'll show you what I mean by that. So once you put it and you move it and you adjust it, you got plenty of laces. Now you could go ahead and throw it up right here on the last eyelet but I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna take it, it's nice and loose. I'm gonna tie it up regularly. I'm gonna make a bunny, bring it through, and push it. Adjust the top a little bit. And when you're done, it should look like this. And again, feel free to go ahead and do it again if need be, like you didn't get it right. The cool thing about keeping it loose like that when we went up is that you can adjust the size of how you want. I usually like my knot for my bunny to look very nice and small. So there we go right there. Let's go ahead and get these on feet and let's see what they look like. And here we go right here. We got the bunny lace in the Air Jordan 11 Gammas. And honestly, this one's really simple and really easy to do. I like it because, like I said, if you go up and while you're lacing it, if you make it nice and loose and not extremely tight, you'll get a nice bunny lace right there that just sits on the tongue right there. I think this one looks really nice, and I feel like personally it's my favorite, but we still have 2 more laces to go, so let's do it. Alrighty guys, here we go with the second lace style. Now this is the loosey goosey, and just like the bunny lace, we are gonna start with also when you're going up making it loose, but it's going to have more of a hang at the end, and I'll go ahead and show you. So we're gonna go ahead and put it through the eyelets again, this time making it very, again, not extremely, but loose enough to where it's not like looking choked up, because that's the point of this lace style right here. So we're just gonna keep on feeding it up, the eyelets. And you know, after doing so many tutorials on certain shoes, I really think that the Air Jordan 11 is probably the easiest to do lace styles on, because you know, all other different shoes, you got to put them through the eyelets and make sure that your laces are right. But this one, the Air Jordan 11 silhouette, is very easy to go ahead and do. So let me know what you guys think down below. Keep going ahead and lacing it up. I love these Gammas. I love these Air Jordan 11 Gammas. Like, man, this is probably again, like I said, my favorite sneaker of all time. I've been wanting this shoe for forever. And Nike, please, I would love to see this shoe in a low top, to be honest. I would love it. So as we get up to the second to last eyelet, I am going to utilize the last eyelet for this one, just because if you do it like this, it's like a lot of, as you can see, slack, and it doesn't look good. So we're gonna utilize it, and we're gonna run it up through the eyelet. If I can get it in there. There we go. Nope. And then we're gonna just let it hang like so. Doesn't have to be ultimately perfect, but come on, get in there. Really? There we go, got it. And when you're done, after it's nice and loose, it should look like this right here. Now I know a lot of you guys do wear it like this too. Personally, not my favorite, but it's not bad as well, because the way the Air Jordan 11 is, when you loosen it up, it does sit right there on the eyelet. So let me know what we think about that. Does it look good? Let's go ahead and put these things on feet right now. Let's go. All right guys, here we go right here. This is the second lace style, the loosey goosey, and I think these look cool too. Again, like I said, not my favorite lace style, but I do feel like a lot of Air Jordan 11 enthusiasts do wear their laces like this. I feel like this is really known in the community when it comes to Air Jordan 11s. I think that if you go ahead and you loosen them really good, and at the very end of the eyelet, they'll hang nice. It's a good look. Like I said, not my favorite, but it's still a good look. Do let me know what you think about this one. Now moving on to the final lace style. Let's go. All right guys, here we go. This is the last and final lace style. This is the knot lace. So for this one, I am usually do under over, and I think I'm going to continue it for this one, just because the Air Jordan 11 is a very just easy shoe to lace up. So we're going to go ahead and do the same one. We're gonna keep running it through. This one, I still kind of keep it semi-laced or loose and semi-tight. That way when we get to the very top, we can make that knot. And I think it looks really good. It looks really good. Let's go ahead and do it. Thank you guys so much for showing a lot of love and support this year, and just for all the content that I post. You guys are seriously amazing, and I just really want you to know you guys inspire me every time and motivate me every time I drop a video. So I really want you to know I love you guys a lot. Thank you so much. Let's keep on running it up. Let's keep putting it through. So as you see, we're getting to the second to last eyelet right here, and I am not going to utilize the last eyelet, because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this, so this, pay attention, I'm gonna go ahead and take these two, I'm gonna pinch them together, take my fingers, wrap it around through here, see this opening? I'm gonna create an opening, I'm gonna push this through, and I'm gonna go ahead and feed it down and push it up like so. And when you're done, it should look like this. Very nice and neat presentation. Looks nice. I'm all about presentations too. So just to do it again, you're gonna pinch it together. Once you pinch it, you're gonna bring it around, create that opening with the finger that you have wrapped around, create the opening, push it through like so, and then you're gonna bring it, you're gonna bring it down like that, and tuck action. Boom. And there we go right there. That is the knot lace. Let's go ahead and get these things on feet right now, because I want you guys to see these right here. Let's go. All right, guys, here we go. The last lace style. This is the knot lace. And to be honest, even though the bunny lace is my favorite one, the knot lace is one I do wear a lot as well, because I genuinely just like the fact that once you get these in place the right way, they're not going anywhere, and they look pretty clean, especially with these black laces and these gammas too. Ooh, they look nice. But let me know what you think about them right here on feet. Again, like I said, if you go ahead and make them nice and loose, once you do that final knot, pull it through, they'll sit right there, and they are looking very nice. Do let me know what you think about it. All right, guys, let's go ahead and cut to the final end of the video. Let's go, guys. And boom, here we go right here, guys. That was the 3 ways on how I lace up the Air Jordan 11 in the Gamma colorway. Do let me know which one was your favorite lace style. In my honest opinion, I don't know why, but I think the bunny lace is my favorite. I just like the way it kind of sits right there on the shoe. Let me know which one was your favorite as well. I know a lot of other different Air Jordan 11 enthusiasts, they're really big on the loosey-goosey as well, but I still gotta go with the bunny lace for this one. Do let me know, guys, how you felt about this one. I greatly appreciate all the love and support that you show. Again, like I said, for this, sit back, relax. Don't, feel like you need to panic. You can rewind it as much as you need to. I just like giving you guys different lace styles. That way you can rock your kicks. Again, do let me know which one was your favorite. Do not worry, even though 2025 is coming to an end, I still have a couple more reviews I am bringing for you. We have a probably one more that I personally like before the year is over. I do have the Ama Manier Dark Mochas on the way. We did hit on the raffle today, so stay tuned for that, and just know that there will be content over on that. So greatly appreciate you guys so much. Again, let me know which one is your favorite, and until next time, I will catch you guys. Remember, there's only ever be one you. Be the best you, and I will catch y'all in the next video, guys.